if x minus 1 by x equals to root 3, we have to find out the value of x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6. So first, this x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6 we can write like x square to the power 3 plus 1 divided x square to the power 3, right? It means here will be x square plus 1 by x square to the power 3 minus 3 times x square times 1 by x square times x square plus 1 by x square. But what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? This one, if anybody want, can be write in rough, or first you can find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square, or if you want you can write in here. So it would be better to find out first. It means given here is a x minus 1 by x equals to root 3. So if we square both sides, we will get x minus 1 by x whole square, and here is a root 3 square. And then here we can write x square minus 2 times x times 1 by x plus 1 by x square equals to root 3 square means 3. And this x and x out. So finally we get here is x square plus 1 by x square, and this minus 2 if we exchange or we are add both side by 2, we will get 3 plus 2, it means 5. So here x square plus 1 by x square equals to 5. So we just put this value in here, 5 cube minus this x square and x square out. So here is a 3 times x square plus 1 by x square, we already get, which is 5. Now 5 to the power 3, it means 5 times 5 times 5, 5 times 5 is a 25 times 5, it's a 125 minus 15, and our result will be 110, right? Very simple. So it's very important math. You have to face these kinds of math in examination hall, so don't neglect these kinds of math. My channel name is MathJet. From this channel you will get lots of these kinds of math for exam practice. I hope your exam will be fine and you should keep practice at home. Thank you.